question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. Now, situations are given. First situation, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So let us see bit again. So given the rectangular plot, this is, let's say this is the rectangular plot. Now this is, I'll say this is my length, this is my breadth. Okay. Now given length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. So that breadth is equal to x. The length will be 2x plus 1. Because 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. So now let breadth of the rectangular field, let breadth of the rectangular field is x, given in meters, x meter. Now its length will be 2x plus 1 meter as per given in the question. So now what is given? Area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 528 meters square is equal to ax, first take length, so 2x plus 1 into x. Now here we are just cancelling the unit when we are writing the equation. So that implies 528 is equal to 2x square plus x. That implies 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation as per the data given to find the length and breadth of the plot. Are you clear? Now move on to question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Here we need not solve this because not given solve and find the length and breadth. Only given find the equation. So now product of two consecutive positive integers. Let x and x plus 1 are two consecutive positive integers. The product of the integers is equal to how much? 306. And therefore x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. That implies x square plus x is equal to 306. That implies x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now we will move on to bit 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So first understand the language framing the equation is more important. Solving, you know, you can solve it by any of the method. So framing equation is more important. See, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So now in bit reply, let's take let the present age of Rohan is equal to X years. Mother is 26 years older than him. So the age of the mother of Rohan is equal to X plus 26 years. As mother is 26 years older. Now come to the next part. What? The product of their ages in years. 3 years from now. So this is present is now. 3 years from now. 3 years from now. So now suppose your age is 10. Now after 3 years you will be 13 years. Now your age is 15. After 2 years you will be 15 close to 17 years. So 3 years from now Rohan age will be X plus 3 years. Age of Rohan's mother will be how much? X plus 26 plus 3 years is equal to X plus 29 years. So when Rohan's age will increase by 3 years, at the same time his mother's age also will increase by 3 years. So Rohan will be X plus 3 and his mother will be X plus 20 now. Now we have to find the equation. What other situations given? The product of the ages will be 360. Product. So X plus 3 into X plus 29 product multiplication is equal to 360. Now that implies X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 is equal to 360. That implies X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. That implies X square plus 32x minus 10 minus 3, now 5, 8, 15, 7, 273 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. The required equation. Why? To find out the present age of Rohan and also the age of his mother. Now move on to the next and the last bit of this exercise. Bit 4. Speed problem. A train travel a distance of 480 km. It is uniform speed, not average speed, increasing, decreasing. No, uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Suppose let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. So time, let's say t1 taken to cover the distance of 480 kilometer is equal to 480 by x hour. Okay. Now we know what we know. We know time is equal to distance by speed. In the set of speed, distance, time in junior classes, Time is equal to distance by speed. So you think why sir is repeating? Because some student listen once and understand. Some listen twice and understand. Some listen thrice and understand. So now move on to the next part. Now speed had been less by how much? 8 km per hour. So now speed of the train reduced to x minus 8 km per hour. So now time, let's say T2 taken by the train to cover the same distance of 480 km is equal to 480 by x minus 8 hours. Now the real thing, we have to find out the equation. So here you know speed is more, time is less. Speed is less, time is more. So here your T1 you have taken, your T2. Here your T2 greater than T1 because speed is less. T2 greater than T1. So your 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to how much? It would taken 3 hours more. 3. Now we'll solve this one. We'll solve this equation. Now note it down. Note it down. Solve this equation to find out the quadratic equation. So here that implies 480 taken common, I will get 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. That implies 480 x into x minus 8 by x minus x plus 8 is equal to 3. So cancelling x and x, that implies 480 into 8 is equal to 3x into x minus 8. That implies 480 into 8 is equal to 3x square minus 24x. So that implies 0, 6, 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 24x. That implies 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Now is there any common? Yes. Dividing by 3. Dividing by 3 we will get minus 8x minus 1, 2, 24, 80 is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3. So reduce to lowest term. We'll get x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Required equation for what? To find the speed of the train. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and give your valuable comments. Next, my upcoming video will be exercise 4.2. So thank you.